Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode with this cool amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what this is a massage gun, and this is from the brand right here. It's definitely a little bit different compared to other massage guns that I tried before. Definitely has a very nice little handle right here, and they have the zipper here as well. This is what the back of the case looks like right here. But let's open up this product and see what it actually looks like inside first. Alright, so when we first open it up, this is basically what it looks like inside. And for this one, they actually have a lot of different types of massage head, which is pretty cool. Let me take out each one to show you guys what each one looks like. So the first one we can see right here, it kind of looks like a little bullet design. Next one we have right here is another bullet design right here as well. Next we have this design right here. Next one we have right here, the fork design. Here's the next one right here. Here is the next one. Here is the next one. And here's the last one that we have right here, which usually all massage gun has. And those are all the massage head that's provided for us. They do provide this cable right here to use to charge up the product. They do provide you guys a little instruction card to teach you guys how to use it and all the different functionality that's on here. And then last but not least, we have the actual massage gun right here. And that is basically everything that's in the packaging itself. Let's take this part out first. So this is basically what the product looks like and see. You guys can definitely see that carbon fiber material or design, or like the stick on or whatever this is right here, which is pretty awesome. On the bottom part right here, you can see that they have the slot where you plug in the cable to charge it up. The on and off switch right here to activate it. So right now it's off. If I push it this way, it's on now. And you guys can see the light right there. So if I want to turn it on right here, just press the button right here. And it turned on. So if I want to increase or lower it, press the plus and minus. Plus to increase, obviously. So the maximum is 30. And the lowest is 1. So you can press it or just hold it down like this, which is pretty easy to use. So there's 30 speed levels right here, and then this is the battery life right here. And if you guys want to turn it off, press on this button right here, and also the bottom part as well. They do have the indicator right here to show you guys when it's on or off. So right now it's on. If I push it this way, it turns off. And if I look at the top part right there, I believe this is the ventilation part to let the air come out and everything to cool down the product when you guys use it. And then right here is obviously where you guys will plug in the massage gun head itself to start using it. And then right here we have the grip part right here, so it definitely has a very nice grip to it. And that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Before I try it out and everything, let me actually go plug this in to show you guys when it actually works in terms of charging first. And we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we got our charger set up right here. Let's plug it in and see when it actually works. So I'm going to turn it off first right here. And then plug it in. Alright, so you can see right here it's glowing right here. So that's how you guys know when it's charging. And also right here is red. So once it's fully charged, this light should turn green. So that's how you guys know when it's fully charged. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick charging test and see that actually does work and it's super easy to charge. All you need to do is plug in the cable to charge it up and it's all set. But now let's try out the product and see how well it works first. And then we're going to try it on ourselves as well. So I'm going to do the DB test right now first. So I'm just going to use any massage gun head first. Try this one out. Push it all the way in. Turn on our DB tester. Alright, so we got our DB tester right here. Let's give it a try and see what it sounds like. So this is speed level 1. It's around 47. Let's turn it up all the way to the maximum. So right now it's on maximum. So the maximum is around like 61 dB. So on the listing itself it mentioned is around 45 dB. This one's a little bit higher than what it mentioned, which is around 47, so that's not a huge issue. But if that is a huge issue, that's definitely something to kind of consider. But I don't think that's an issue for me. I think even if you guys turn it to the maximum, it's not that loud to the point where it really annoys me or anything. As long as it gives me a good massage and everything, that I don't really care about the noise. And if you guys are wondering what each one of the massage gun head is for, they actually mention it on the actual instruction guide and also on here as well. So that way you guys know which one is for what. So obviously the higher the speed level you guys go to, that is for more of a deep tissue massage and also for a more professional massage. So if you guys are not used to the pain or never done like an actual massage before, then it's more ideal for you guys to start low and build your way up. But if you guys done massage before and whatever, then you guys can just go to the professional one and just use that speed level or whatever speed level you guys want. That's up to you guys. So let's try this out myself now and see how it works. So I'm gonna try it on speed level 5 first. So on speed level 5, when I push it down, it definitely has a lot of vibration on it. If I push it down too much, it kind of vibrates too much. So let me actually try to increase the speed level a little bit to maybe around 15 first. So same thing on speed level 15. When I push it down too much, it starts doing this, if I can see. So this is normal. But if I push it down too much, it starts vibrating the actual massage gun instead of my actual body itself. So as I'm using it like this really lightly and not pushing it down, it definitely feels really, really good. It's definitely super useful and super helpful, especially after doing like a long workout or anything. If you guys feel super sore, super easy to use as well. All you guys need to do is charge it for 2 to 3 hours to get a maximum of 8 hours usage if you guys use it at the lowest speed level. Obviously, if you guys use the higher speed level at like the maximum speed level, which is 30, you guys mostly will not get that full 8 hours of usage on here. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we did a quick unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So the overall design of the product itself looks amazing and feels amazing. It's just that when I actually use the actual product itself, as you can see, if I put too much pressure onto it, it doesn't work too well because it actually massages the massage gun instead of myself. But if you guys just go lightly, just holding it down like this, then it's fine. Just don't push it all the way down. So just by judging from a quick test of the product itself, it definitely is worth it if you guys use it at a high speed level. If you guys use it at the lower speed level, it won't be too good because you guys will probably use too much strength to push it down instead of actually using the massage gun to massage yourself. So I would definitely have to say that this is worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have needs one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for quick unboxing and testing on the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.